Hello, welcome back to Bill's Learning Corner. 今天又来到了小说 B 本的另外一篇，叫做 Bigger。好 ，Bigger 呢，它是一个比较级，就是较大的意思。那主要会有两个主词来做比较，比如说主词一 is bigger than 另外一个。好，那在这边两个人做比较。好，那我们一页一页来看就会比较清楚。这边有一个 cat，the cat is bigger than the mouse. The mouse, the cat. 好，另外一个 the dog is bigger than the cat. 好 ，dog 比较 bigger. The gorilla is bigger than the dog. Bigger than the dog. The bear 就出来一个 bear is bigger than the gorilla. The rhino 这边有一个 rhino is bigger than the bear. Wow, but guess what? 你看这是 elephant 怎么了呢？ Elephant, the big elephant is afraid of the little mouse. 虽然这只 mouse 呢是 very little, 但是它是 afraid of 哇，看起来很害怕，对不对？ So, but guess what? The big elephant is afraid of the little mouse. 好，所以呢，我们就知道这边要比较的是 bigger than。那我们从头再来一次好了。OK， 所以呢，记住是 bigger. OK, are you ready? OK， 好。Bigger. The cat is bigger than the mouse. The dog is bigger than the cat. The gorilla is bigger than the dog. The bear is bigger than the gorilla. The rhino is bigger than the bear. The elephant is bigger than the rhino. But guess what? The big elephant is afraid of the little mouse. Okay, so that's it for today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.